The feature I use the most is our browser extensions. I'm, of course, doing work, surfing the web, and a lot of times I have a question either about the content I'm looking at or want to be able to combine that with what documents I already have on Dash. And so I can just open up our sidebar right there in the browser, ask my question. It's amazingly powerful at merging all that content together, just giving me what I'm looking for right away. A lot of times I'll record myself. I'll just get up in my office and just start talking. And from there, I end up transcribing that to text. And then I'll send it over to Dash and have it clean it up and create that really nice structure. That kind of workflow using Dash to help me write is very powerful. Stacks is a really great way of defining your working set. So you can add a number of different documents, links, really anything you want into one container. Once you have that, really easy to share with coworkers. So a lot of times new employee joins, I'll put a bunch of onboarding docs. It's just such an easy way for them to start engaging and getting to feel a lot more comfortable with the team.